So I'm gonna make a live withdrawal on this Fire VIP. Yes, ZUBYKING joined Fire VIP to know if it's working and if it's working perfectly. So before going to the withdrawal button, let me show you guys that I've already, first of all, I made a deposit on this particular Fire VIP. Where is my account details, my top up record? As you can see, I recharged 4,000 naira, which now that my balance is now 5,200 naira, I'm gonna place a withdrawal in this video. So let me just place a withdrawal. As you can see, this is my balance here. So let me place 5,200 naira only, and withdrawal from this is my account. Don't worry, I'm gonna blow it up so for security reasons. So I'm gonna click on this place that say withdraw. It's gonna show me that they're gonna take the charges service fee of 9,936 naira, and my actual balance is gonna be 4,264 naira, and this is my account details. So if I click on this place now that says confirm, it's gonna load up a bit and load up and load up and load up. Withdrawal request successful. So as you can see, I've successfully placed a withdrawal. So I think the withdrawal is gonna be processed within 24 hours. So once the withdrawal arrived, I'm gonna update you guys. So as you can see now, the withdrawal is still pending, and it's still pending. So after 24 hours, I come to this place, to the withdrawal record, and boom, I withdraw from Fire VIP. I withdraw 5,200 naira, which I'm gonna get if they remove their 900 naira charges that I'm gonna get. What I saw on my account details was 4,000. I think 4,002 also. I'll be 4,002. Let me check it. Let me show you guys. So this 4,264 naira is the payment proof. This is the payment that I received from the 5 VIP. So as you can see it here, this is the payment. So it really landed. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by 5 VIP. What is 5 VIP? All you need to know how to earn more than close to 3 million, 2 million in a year with this platform. You understand? So all I need you to do for me now is to click on the like button if you like what you're seeing on this video. Yeah, click on the like button because it's worth it. I took my own risk. I took risk to bring updates for you guys. So click on the like button. I need you to click on the like button. Click on the like button so that YouTube will know that this video got value. Secondly, subscribe to my channel if this is your first time seeing my video. Subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so that you get notified whenever I post a new update. Then calm down, let me blow your mind. So in this video, I'm gonna first of all, let me go and earn some amount of money to show you guys that the thing works. So first thing we are gonna do now is to click on this place now that's in mine and refresh. I will see that they are gonna ask me to start the advertising machine now, which I will gonna click on this place that says start now. As you can see, I have two machine working for me. So let me click on this place now that says to be started, and instantly the Facebook ad is gonna be playing. And then if you want to play it, this is the Facebook ad and blah 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 blah. So this is not what you are gonna do. So first of all, once you are done with this one, you are also, as you can see, I've earned 100 naira, an extra NFC 200 naira NFC. So if I click on this one, I say confirm now. As you can see, I've completed this one. This one is now running.
This channel is all about making yourself look and feel your best. And today, we're talking beard care in 3 easy steps.
So as this one is running, as you can see, I've earned 100 naira and 200 NFC. So don't worry, I'm gonna show you guys what all of this is all about. Let this just run and run very good. So just give it some time. It's gonna be 100% in the GIF now.
Without a lot of effort. Move the trimmer downward with the direction of your.
So it's at 3%. Just give it time, give it time, give it time, give it time, give it time. And yo, here we are. Now I'm earning another 200 now with 400 NFC. So click on this one, say confirm. Now you can see that my total revenue of the day is 300 naira. Why the 600 NFC is there? So as you can see, I've completed my today's task. And if you click on this place that say rental record, as you can see, I've been earning. I didn't spend money on this one, and I spend money on this one. Actual rent, as you can see, original rent is 3,000. Original rent is 4,000 naira, while the 400 naira is cash coupon. So I spent only this 3,600 naira to start up this platform. As you can see, I'm not using any spa advertising machine. So let's go to the how to sign up for this thing. So follow the link in the description. As you can see, now I'm now having 700 naira. On this close, say confirm. I'm now having 715 naira, and my actual deposit to this thing, let me show you guys. My actual deposit here is just 4,000 naira, which 400 naira was later kept on my balance, and I still withdraw my 400 naira because I use the 400 naira cash coupon that you guys are gonna get once you have signed up with my link. So how did this work? According to the Fire VIP, although this is not a financial advice, ZUBYKING is not a financial advisor. I took my own risk to test run this site, and it's paying for me. So if you want to earn from this site, you have to do it now. And if you are serious in earning on this website, this kind of a thing, you have to be very fast on it. Don't wait for the free version, because they're gonna give you the free miner, the free ad machine, which is not gonna yield you anything much, but you're gonna be earning 100 naira daily, and before you're gonna reach to 4,000 naira, maybe you have done it something like in a month or maybe something like that. So what you're gonna do is to follow the link in the description and sign up to this platform. So let's go to their ad machine to see how you can earn up to 3 million naira in a year. So click on this place now as a rent. So I'm gonna show you guys that this one is the one I'm using. You can go for it for for 5 times. So I'm using it one. So let's assume I want to high rent it more. I only need around that 3,000 naira, 3,600 naira on my account. Maybe I can still deposit again and then buy it and rent it, so that I will earn more higher on it. So but if I want to earn this particular one that is gonna yield me, and remember this 3,600 naira plan is gonna yield the 219,000 naira within 365 days, and this particular one is gonna yield you 932 naira with 64 kobo within 395 days. That is 1 year, and the actual amount of it is 16,000 naira, which they have given you discounts of 14,400 naira. So this is how it normally looks. So you have to check and know the particular ad machine you're gonna use. So this one is the 36,000 naira own, which is gonna be giving you 2,000 naira day, 2,256 naira daily, and the actual revenue for the annual revenue is 2,470,320. So it's kind of huge, guys. It's kind of huge. So I don't really know how long this platform will work. Honestly speaking to you, I've watched video about it. I've seen 5VIP people earning it 6 months ago, the time that the dashboard is shining blue, not now that it's shining orange color. So I think VIP is normally here to stay, and if you want to earn from it, jump into it now. If you have the money, you can do the 14,000 naira plan, which is gonna yield you 932 naira in a year. It's worth it, kind of worth it, now that I've gotten my 4,000 naira investment back. For the rest of the year, if I still want to continue with this particular plan that I'm using, I'm expecting 219,000, which actually the 19,000 naira that is on top might be the charges that I'm gonna be spending per withdrawal, that because minimum withdrawal is 4,000 naira. So check out the plan that is good for you and do it at your own risk. ZUBYKING is not a financial advice. Always remember that. So if you click on this prayer send mine now, you can see that there is something that they call to be released NFC. So according to them, if you click on this place now, it's gonna show you, okay, this is how I'll be earning to be released NFC. According to them, is something that they are gonna release on November 1st of August. Yeah, they said 1st of August. I don't really know what is this NFC. According to them, is their own coin. So if you click on this place now that says detail of income, you see that I've earned over 5,515 naira, which I'm after making this video and setting up the things I want to do with my own money. I'm gonna jump into making any more than this 5,000 naira. I've been using this platform uh, uh, close to a week now. I told my WhatsApp members that I'm gonna use this platform and I'm gonna do 5 VIP to know how it's going. So this is the video that I promised you guys that I'm gonna do about 5 VIP. It's nothing much. Even a novice in making money stuff can do it. So to top up, in case you want to top up and want to use the paid version, so that level 2, so that as you can see I'm in level 2, so that you can earn more, just click on this place now that says top up and it's going to take you to where you want to top up. I normally like to use bank transfer, so click on this place now and as you can see this is topping amount is 0. So enter the amount they want to top up. Remember that you need to top up 4,000 naira. Minimum top up is 4,000 naira. So there's something that says there is a great benefit that you can receive 96,000 immediately after top up reward. If you top up from 4,000 naira to 15,000 naira, they're gonna give you 1,600 naira, which they give me. If you top up from 16,000 naira to 36,000 naira, they're gonna give you 4,000 naira. If you top up more than, you can see it there. So there is minimum top up of 4,000 naira. So bear it in mind that if you want to top up, I have to top up 4,000 naira. So once you click on it, click on top up. I don't want to click on it because I don't want to recharge it. Let them know, say that I don't want anything to happen to my account. So click on top up and follow the procedure. They're gonna give you a temporary account that you're gonna send the money to. Once you send it, confirm that you have top up, and within some minutes the thing is gonna reflect at your account the way it works for me. I don't know about how it's gonna work for you, but that is how it works for me. But if you wanna use coin recharge, this is where you're gonna use USDT. So click on it. I've not done it before, so click on it, something like that. It's gonna give you the wallet address that you're gonna recharge. So this is normally simple. The minimum recharge is always 10 USDT, as you can see there. So follow only the instructions before you're gonna top up. So once you're done top up and you have, if you refresh it like this, it's gonna come over. So if you have any problem, remember to click on this place that says their customer service and talk with their customer service. So I don't have a problem, so I don't need their customer service. So in case you have reached minimum withdrawal and you decide to withdraw, so click on this place now that says withdraw, and bear it in mind that your first withdrawal is gonna be in your bank account. So this is my bank account, this is my bank detail. Don't worry, I'm gonna blur it off for security purpose. So if you want to withdraw from coin, maybe you want to withdraw with USDT, because me, once I want to do another withdrawal, it's gonna be in USDT. I don't like withdrawing naira. So bear it in mind that minimum withdrawal is always 4,000 naira. So if you compare 4,000 naira to their what they call it, to their exchanges, around that 10 USDT. So if you want to withdraw, just click on this place, enter the address, enter the withdrawal amount. They're gonna give you their own charges. It's like their charges is fee. Let me just click on 700 naira to know. This is my first time of clicking on withdrawal. So it's like that their charges service is 0%. Withdrawal amount is 0%. So it's like the charges is 0% in coin withdrawal. I don't really know. That means when I'm withdrawing again, I'm gonna know if their charges from USDT is 0% or is there any charge fee. So as for now, I think this is the end of this video. I've shown you guys what to do, how to top up, how to run your ad. If you want to run your ad, just refresh it or go to mine, and don't worry, once you need to run your advert, it's gonna pop up here, and follow the pop up and go and run your ad. So I think this is the end of this video. I want the video to be short so that my subscribers can rush it and begin to earn from it. Now remember, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research before you jump on anything, make money online, especially once you see on YouTube. So another thing is that about this N8,000 naira now, and their cash is gonna expire in 47 hours 59 minutes and other ticking seconds. So the task center is gonna be share. If you share it, so what I normally do is to click on this place now that says share. It's gonna bring up where I want to share it to. So I'm just gonna click on Telegram. Where is Telegram? Let me click on Telegram to complete this. So I don't see the Telegram again. Let me just click on let me just click on GB WhatsApp. It's gonna ask me to send it to anywhere. Once you click on send, it's gonna load up a bit, and let me look for somewhere to send it. Let me send it here and send it here. So once you're done with it, you can go back immediately. And as you can see, 1 naira have been given to you for sharing it. So you can do it multiple times. And share reward. You can do it again and do it again and just share reward. So once you are done it and the money continues to reach, as you can see, this is how I'm sharing it. I've done it before, but as you can see now, if you want, you click on withdraw, that will tell you that you still need 10 naira 51 kobo to withdraw. So all they need is for you to share. So if you click on this read also, it's gonna give you a countdown. As you can see, there's a countdown on top of my screen. After the countdown, you are getting your reward for reading. So I can see I'm getting 2 naira for reading, and I think the reading is gonna lead again until the reading is done. So just as you can see, the reading is done. The reading is only once. As you can see, this is what I'll be earning from sharing. So once you are done with it, click on withdraw to know if you have earned. So as you can see, I'm still having 8 naira 51 kobo to get it. So you can still click on share, and once you click on it, just go back. They're gonna give you reward. Just continue doing it, and they're gonna give you reward and reward, as you can see. So this is how it's being done. But the main thing is not even this chair, because okay, let me click on withdraw. As you can see, the amount that they need is have gone down. So the main thing is not this chair. If you are done sharing and there is a place that you share it reach, they will ask you now to invite people that is gonna kind of would need to, what they call it, need to invest, they do their first deposit. So once they do their first deposit, and after 24 hours 42 hours their first deposits were done, and they will be giving you all these naira, the little naira for sharing it for until the amount that they want, little kobos. It's normally kobo. Until the amount that they want complete. Once the is completed, according to the information I got, the 10,000 naira is gonna reflect on your account instantly. So I think this is the end of this video. Make sure if you want to use 5-year AP, make sure you use it and use it very fast, because this kind of thing might not last long like that. So jump into it if you are really interested in, and you want to risk out your first 3,600 naira. So I think this is the end of this video. If you got value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification for the next updates on this channel. So see you guys on my next video. Bye.